Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nana Edna and I do educational videos, DIY videos and also lifestyle vlogs. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly consider subscribing and also turn on the notification bell so that you are notified whenever I post. So today friends, I'm going to guide you on how to add a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number by regrouping. A 2-digit number with a 2-digit number by regrouping. So when we say regrouping, we mean carrying forward. Carrying forward. So for example, we are going to do the first example. You're given, for example, 14 plus 27. 14 plus 27. You're supposed to add those 2-digit numbers. What do? First, you write using the place value. We have learnt about place value, tens and ones. So you write here T-O, T-O. This means tens, ones, tens, ones. So after that, you come and write down here T-O. And then now you can start adding. The first number, the one at the tens place value, you write it. The one at the ones place value, you write it, which is 4. I come to the next number, the same thing, I write 2 here and 7. Then the addition sign, the sign has to be there. Then I make a line here like that. Now I add. When I add, I start with the ones place value. Don't start with the tens place value. That is very important to note. We start always with the ones place value. So I will add 4 and 7. 7 is bigger than 4. So I say we are adding by counting on in our head. So 7 in my head, 4 fingers out. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'll come and write my 11 here. You see we have now 2 numbers. Then I write T and O. The number at the ones place value, which is at O, I underline it and then I write it at O. Have you seen that, class? I write it at O, at the ones place value. And then the ones at the tens place value, I'm going to circle it. Then I carry it forward to the tens place value, which is 1 here. So I will write it here and circle it like that. So I have carried it forward, and that is what we call regrouping. So I will take 1 plus 1. What is it, class? Yes, it is 2. Good one. So 2 plus 2 gives us what, class? Yes, 4. So I write here 4. And our answer becomes 41. So we write here 41. So we have added 2-digit number with a 2-digit number by regrouping. We are going to do the second example. Example 2. Example 2. 16 plus 15. 16 plus 15. So we start T-O, T-O. Then we write here T and O. Then after that we add 1, 6 plus 1, 5. So we make a line like that. So remember, we start by adding the numbers at the ones place value. Always the numbers at the ones place value. So 6 plus 5, we add using counting on in our head. So between 6 and 5, which one is bigger? Yes, 6. So we count. 6 in my head, 5 fingers out. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I come and write my 11 here. Don't write it here. First write it here. Then you write T-O. Remember? Underline the number at the ones place value and write it there. Then the ones at the T side, the tens place value, I carry it over to the T. And I will get 1 there. So I will add 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So our answer becomes 31. Our answer becomes what, class? 31. So we have added a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number by regrouping. Example 3. Example 3. Example 3. Example 3, we are going to add a number, for example, 25 plus 25 is equals to box. Remember, T-O-T-O. Then T-O. Then 2, 5 plus 2, 5. Make a line like that. It's always very important to follow the steps. So we start adding which numbers, class? Yes, the ones at the ones place value. 5 plus 5. So we say 5 in my head, 5 fingers out. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I write my 10 here. Then I write T-N-O. Underline the number at the ones place value, which is 0. I write 0 here. Then I circle the number that is on the tens place value and I carry it forward up to there. Yes, 1. So I'm going to add 1 plus 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So we've gotten 50. That is how we add. So we write our answer here to be 50. Another example, example 4. Example 4, we are going to add 18 plus 22 is equals to box. 18 plus 22 is equals to box. Remember, T-O-T-O. First step. Second step, you write your T and your O. Then you write the numbers. 18, 22. Always remember to put the addition sign because we are adding. We start adding the numbers at the ones place value, not the tens place value. So we start 8 in my head, 2 fingers out. So 8, 9, 10. So I write 10 here. T-O. Underline, then write it here. Then this, circle it, then carry it forward like that. I write it there. So I'm going to add 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So our answer becomes 40. Our answer becomes 40.